Have you ever wondered how a thin root becomes thick and woody as a plant grows? The answer lies in a fascinating process called secondary growth. In this video, we'll learn how dicot roots increase in thickness, the role of Vascular Cambium and Cork Cambium, and how bark is formed. Let's get started. Secondary growth is the increase in the thickness or girth of a plant root after primary growth is complete. Primary growth increases the length of the root, while secondary growth increases its width. This process mainly occurs in dicot plants and gymnosperms, making the roots stronger and capable of transporting more water and nutrients. The two main tissues responsible for secondary growth are Vascular Cambium cork, Cambium, also called Phellogen. The vascular cambium forms a continuous ring inside the root. It actively divides to produce new cells. The cells formed towards the inside become secondary xylem, which carries water and minerals. The cells formed towards the outside become secondary phloem, which transports food. More secondary xylem is produced than phloem, so the root gradually becomes thicker and stronger. As the root continues to grow, the outer epidermis and cortex cannot stretch enough and eventually crack. To protect the root, a new layer called the Cork Cambium, or Phellogen, develops in the cortex. The Cork Cambium produces Phellem, cork, towards the outside, Phelloderm, secondary cortex, towards the inside. Together, Phellem, Phellogen, and Phelloderm form the Periderm, which replaces the broken epidermis as the new protective covering. The cork cells are dead at maturity and contain a waxy substance called suberin. Suberin makes the cork waterproof and protects the plant from water loss, infections, and physical damage. As more cork is produced, the outer protective layer becomes the bark. Tiny pores called lenticels develop in the bark. These lenticels allow oxygen to enter and carbon dioxide to leave, helping the root carry out gaseous exchange. Let's revise. Secondary growth increases the thickness of dicot roots. Vascular cambium produces secondary xylem inside and secondary phloem outside. Cork cambium forms phellem outside and phelloderm inside. Together they make the periderm, the plant's protective outer layer. Lenticels help in gaseous exchange. That's the complete process of secondary growth in dicot roots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy biology lessons. Thanks for watching.